Snoring solutions span a broad spectrum, from nasal-only aids to mandibular advancement devices and wearable biofeedback gadgets. For consumers, the right choice depends on the underlying cause of snoring: nasal obstruction, jaw position, or habitual muscle tone, and how comfortably a device fits into nightly routines. Product number 1, Advanced Anti-Snoring Device 4.0 Clear. Adjustable custom-fit anti-snoring mouthpiece, mouth guard for men. Define's Advanced Anti-Snoring Device 4.0 is a flexible silicone mandibular advancement mouthpiece that offers adjustable lower jaw advancement from 1 mm to 6 mm. Its slim, no-bulk design emphasizes comfort and compatibility with common sleep positions, aiming to open the upper airway without intrusive hardware. The device is marketed as suitable for both men and women and emphasizes a simple battery-free operation with easy cleaning. Performance and use. The 1 to 6 mm adjustable range enables a personalized balance between comfort and snore reduction. Users who respond well to jaw-forward positioning can progressively increase the setting. Product number 2, SmartGuard Anti-Snore Device. New customizable snore-reducing mouthpiece. Reduced snoring aid for men. SmartGuard positions itself as a premium, customizable mouthpiece designed to hold the jaw forward and keep the airway open. It emphasizes comfort with a moldable fit and claims safety and efficacy supported by testing. The device is made from EVA and includes a guided molding process supported by model-specific instructions and video resources. Performance and use. The ability to custom mold to individual dentition likely improves seal and comfort, potentially reducing leakage or gag reflex common with less adaptable MAD. Its clear marketing focus on comfort and an open jaw mechanism distinguishes it from devices that restrict jaw movement more aggressively. Product number 3, Silent Z Pro 2.0. USA-designed anti-snore mouthpiece in 3 sizes with an adjustable mouth guard mechanism. It emphasizes a design intended to reduce snoring by directing the jaw forward, with attention to the need for proper sizing and an initial break-in period. Performance in use. The brand explicitly notes a 3 to 4 week acclimation period, reflecting a common reality with MADs, where user adaptation can influence initial efficacy. The 3-size option helps address wide mouth variability, and the emphasis on home mold instructions suggests a customizable fit, albeit with potential complexity for some users. Product number 4, Breathe Right Nasal Strips. Extra strength, clear, for sensitive skin. Drug-free snoring solution. Breathe Right's nasal strips offer a non-MAD approach focused on improving nasal airflow by mechanically lifting the nasal passages. The extra strength version targets nasal congestion-related snoring and claims up to 31% reduction in snoring when nasal obstruction is a contributing factor. The strips are designed for sensitive skin and are clear for discreet use. Performance and use. This option addresses a common snoring trigger, nasal obstruction, without engaging the jaw or airway directly. It can be a practical, first-line solution for snorers whose symptoms are primarily congestional. Product number 5. Anti-Snoring Wristband Device. Intelligent Effective Snore Solution Bracelet. Infrared Reduction Snore Watch. Comfortable for men. The UWorwovo wristband relies on a biofeedback approach, detecting snoring via a wrist sensor and delivering a mild electrical stimulus to the wrist to elicit a reflexive action that opens the jaw. This wearable device is presented as a non-oral, device-free solution that preserves sleep comfort while offering adjustable modes. Performance and use. Biofeedback wrist stimulation is a distinctive approach that may appeal to users uneasy with oral appliances.
Effectiveness hinges on accurate snore detection, tolerability of the electrical pulses, and consumer willingness to rely on a wrist-based cue rather than a structural airway change.